Seeing the iPhone storage almost full message repeatedly after the iOS 18 update can be frustrating, especially if you have enough space. This seems to be an iOS 18 bug that Apple hasn't fixed yet. Keep watching for details and 3 solutions to resolve it. Part 1. Why is my iPhone storage full after iOS 18 upgrade? The storage full alerts after iOS 18 may result from cached data and old system files not being cleared. Removing this data and managing storage regularly can help resolve and prevent this issue. Part 2. How to fix iPhone storage almost full after iOS 18 update. Fix 1. Force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. Fix 2. Fix iOS 18 storage bug using iOS system recovery. Given that many users encounter various problems after updating to iOS 18, such as storage full, or iPhone keeps restarting, etc., a powerful software called iOS system recovery is here. Fix 3. Reset all settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap General. Select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset. Then, set all settings. If prompted, enter your passcode and confirm your choice. Fix 4. Put iPhone in DFU mode. If the issue persists, try DFU mode to reset your iPhone. Connect to your computer, open iTunes, enter DFU mode, press volume up, volume down, then hold side until screen is black. Warm tip: backup iPhone in case of iPhone issues. After upgrading to iOS 18, data loss can be a risk. Protect your data with Mobican Assistant for iOS, a user-friendly tool for one-click iPhone backups and easy restoration when needed. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to the computer. From the main interface of Assistant for iOS, you can see all the data categories that can be backed up in the left column. Step 2. Selective backup. Preview and select the data categories you want to back up. From the left column, check your target files, and then click the Export button on the upper navigation. Full backup. Select Super Toolkit, iTunes Backup, and Restore Backup. From the upper navigation, Step 3. Choose a backup path to save the backup file, and the program will start the backup process immediately.